Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by enabling the target laptop to accept a wireless display. On that laptop, open Settings, System, Projecting to this PC, and set it to Available Everywhere. This registers the device as a receiver. Make sure both machines share the same network for discovery and choose whether to require a PIN for security. Once done, keep the receiving laptop awake and visible. This makes the sender find it quickly and avoids connection timeouts during the next steps. Now on your primary Windows 11 laptop, initiate the connection. Press Windows +K or open Quick Settings and choose Project. The receiving laptop should appear in the list. Select it and pick Extend to use it as a second monitor or Duplicate to mirror content. You may need to accept the connection on the receiver or type a PIN if enabled. Once connected, Windows treats it like a monitor, so make sure to arrange displays in Display Settings to match physical layout for smooth cursor movement. Finish by fine-tuning display settings. Open Settings, System, Display, and arrange the virtual monitor. Set the correct resolution and scale so windows snap naturally. If you notice latency or stutter, make sure both devices use a fast network. Switching to Ethernet or lowering the receiver resolution reduces lag. If the receiver disappears, restart both PCs, re-enable projecting to this PC, and verify firewall settings allow wireless display traffic. These steps clear most connection and discovery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.